Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get this show on the road. It is August 20th, 2025, and this is the New York session. Trading gold, scalping gold futures. Let's get the screen up here. We got everything going. We have everything that we need. I think so. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. I was trying to get, spending a little time here before the stream started, trying to get a new banner across the top explaining that we've got a free trading course over at the BarcelonaTrader.com, along with a waiting list for our Gold GPT AI assistant for trading gold. Let's get our knuckles cracked. Oh, okay. So we got a little keyboard flexibility there. Let's see, make sure we've got M4 running properly. All right, that looks good. All right, let's see if we got it here on the shared screen. Boom, there's MT4. There's the other MT4 panel. Okay, that looks good. Get rid of that little guy down there. Okay. Here we have our 1 minute chart. Here we have our 5 minute chart. You'll see here on the 5 minute chart, let's get rid of these indicators. I drew a little box around the consolidation zone that we were in. I extended that box way too far because now we're outside of the consolidation zone. See, I'll move that in just a little bit so it's not so. All right, so you see we're coming out of the consolidation box right here, and we're about to hit these pivots. We've got the monthly pivot point and the weekly the weekly midpoint 2, WM2, and the MPP right here. So price is coming up into that. Wouldn't be surprised to see it bounce off of that, maybe come back down a little bit. Who knows if it will come back down as far as the daily pivot point here, and that again to continue upward. But it does look like we have an upward trend today. That's the 15-minute chart, not the 5 minute. Here's the 5 minute. But it does look like we have a bit of an uptrend today. Why is my volume indicator not on my 5 minute chart? I'm gonna put it there. All right. Oh, it is there, it's just not showing. Why is it not showing? Something is amiss. All right, we'll come back to that. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Let's get our indicators back up. Boom. All right, we've got an uptrend here going on. We've got the dotted yellow line on either side of the uptrend. That shows, and the solid yellow line down the middle. That shows that at least on the 5 minute chart, and it looks like on the 15-minute chart as well. Nope, 15-minute chart, we are still in a downtrend. If it doesn't looks like the market wants to go up, at least right now. So we might break through the top of this uptrend if we get through these pivot points and continue upward, or we might crest here and start coming back down and continue this downtrend, which also remains intact on the 1 hour chart. So, but you know that the trend is your friend until it's not anymore. And then, so we might be changing directions here. I guess we will see as the morning goes on. Anyway, we want to pay attention to, I know that when I put these indicators on here that are off, put them back on, I know the chart gets a little complex. Looks like a Jackson Pollock. We got into trading. But the things you'll want to pay attention to when I have these indicators on, kind of forget these squiggly lines here, that are coming through here, this one down here. These are some moving averages, not really going to be relevant to what we're doing this morning. What you want to pay attention to is this regression channel, which shows us the direction of the trend. And you want to pay attention to these horizontal lines, whether they are orange, red, or green. The green ones represent support zones. and the red are support lines, and the red and orange ones represent resistance lines. You can forget this blue line here where it says pancakes and goes across here. That has nothing to do with the charts today. That is a note for me to remember a hedge that I have going on my spot gold account. The other things we want to pay attention to here is this red zone up here that says bear volume. We will see price hit that and then bounce off of it a little bit, at least react to it, because there is volume there, to the bear side. And down here on the bottom, we have the opposite. This green zone right here is bull volume, and that's sitting right above the DM2. Let's look at what pivots we're next to here. As I said, on top, we're next to the MPP and the WM2, and on the bottom, the daily pivot point. This blue band that runs across the screen here is last week's low of the week, so we've been below for the last day or so. And now it looks like we're trying to peak back above it. We'll see if we have the volume and the strength continue on above that. We've been in a downtrend for the last day or two. No, more than that. We've been in a downtrend for the last 5 days or so. So maybe it's time that gold turns around. Here is our friend and trading mentor, Tono Miakoda.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing, man?
All right. How you doing?
I'm doing better with this spot.
Yeah. Did you get your? Are you running off of your phone's Wi-Fi, or did you get your internet back?
Yeah, off the phone Wi-Fi. It'll be back up later this afternoon because someone ran into, well, I forgot what they call it, a responder or a transformer or something. So it's funny because my cable went out yesterday.
Yeah.
They said it'd be back on in 30 minutes. It didn't come back on. It's still not on. Then the power was back up in my neighborhood, but my little section is still out.
Oh, wow.
So they fixed the outage, but my little section is still out.
Right.
It's crazy because I could do nothing but read last night. I didn't really want to look at my phone because that causes problems for me.
Yeah.
So I just read a book that I haven't been able to have time to do in a long time. It felt good.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's good. All right.
It's funny, man.
What's that?
We take the small things for granted because of our technology,
Yeah.
Just reading a simple book is something I haven't had the time to do in such a long time, man.
Yeah.
So what do we got? So I missed getting out on that run back down.
Oh, because you were
out. That's good.
You entered lower, right, when it broke through the other day, and then it re-triggered next to the DM2, right?
Yeah, I'm in at 27.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So I'm stuck now for a couple of pips. I'll probably wait. It might come back down today.
Yeah.
Wait for that FOMC to decide what they're going to do.
Yeah. What do we have today in terms of news? Let's check it out. We've got
just 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, and what is it at 2 o'clock that's going on? No, we don't have any news at 2 o'clock today.
Yeah, FOMC.
No, we just have some FOMC members who are speaking today. Oh, wait a minute, Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Oh, FOMC meeting minutes. Yep.
Yeah.
But I think we already kind of know what's going to happen with those meeting minutes. We know that in the last meeting, two members voted to lower interest rates, while the rest of them voted to keep the interest rates the same. It was the first time that there was a non-unanimous decision since, I can't remember what year, but it's been quite a few years, like 88 or something like that. It's been a long time. And I think right now it's priced in to the market about a 90% expectation that they will lower interest rates next month. So I don't know what those meeting notes are going to do, except give us a little more color around what's already known. So I'm not expecting a big market impact from that. But I guess maybe we'll be here at the screens just in case. All right.
So it just bounced off of that DM3.
Yeah. Was it the DM3 that it bounced off of, or we got the MPP, the MPP and the WM2 right there too, right?
It didn't get there yet.
Oh yeah,
it just hit the 3330.
Yep, the DM3. I didn't see that there.
Bring it back down.
All right.
How did you make out last night? Was it a good day? Good
Nope. I took a loss early.
Oh.
Well, no, not early. I took a loss fairly late in the session. I didn't take a trade for over almost an hour and a half, and then I got faked out to the downside.
Okay.
And then I got faked out again to the downside at a different level, not exactly the same trade. And then I said, it was late anyway. I was going to call it a day anyway, but it wasn't. I took 2 losses. So hopefully today will go better. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Here we go. Dollar has been coming down overnight, and it looks like it's turned around a little bit right now in the last hour. Pretty sideways though, really. Came up here a little bit about an hour ago, it looks like, and then has consolidated for an hour.
Yeah.
Yields also came down overnight. Yeah.
It might be a slow day, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's looking that way right now. But it's trying to move up here. It's it got up out of the opening range here where when I sat down, I drew a box around the range we were in. It's above that now, into last week's low of the week. All right, so today we're going to try something new. We're going to try some I dare you to follow along with that.
I haven't had much this whole week, so I need a little something to happen.
Yeah.
Seems to want to come back down and let me out. Let's see if it does.
I think it might. I want to continue the downtrend. This might have just been a retracement within the larger downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
some
Well, that was, yeah, that was not expected. We're back up to the 32 WM2 and M2. Let's see if it breaks it. If it breaks it, we might have a little room to go up. If it can get past 35, we got a nice little run.
yeah. Yeah, we do. All right, so what we're looking for here is for gold, the price to break above, we've got a bear volume right here. If it breaks above this at 33.34 or so, because we have these pivots here, the WM2 and the MPP, they're going to act as magnets. So we want to get a little bit above that. And right above that, we have the DR1 combined with, oh, that value area low is from yesterday. I need to update that. That one's probably not there, but we have the Sunday open right there. So it'd be good to get right above the DR1 here at 33.35, 33.36. And then we've got a nice run up to the DM4. So let's see if we have enough strength to get up there. And in the meantime, I am going to update the fixed range volume profile. The way we do that is we take fixed range volume profile tool and we drag it from the end of day before yesterday to the end of day yesterday. Click there. Gives us our range there. So we'll go with the value area low. Back to the bottom right there. Control. We have 1 minute now for the 8 a.m. candle. That's our point of control right there. And it's going to be our value area high right there. All right, 30 seconds for that 8 a.m. candle. See if that gives us a little punch up. Ten seconds. We have right here. We have room for a little trade right here if it decides it's going to have some momentum to the upside. That's the 8 a.m. right there. A lot of hesitation going on over here with stocks. Nothing yet, obviously the market's not open, but it's getting a feel for where things are. A lot of red there, a lot of red.
Yeah.
I bought some Google at 167 and it's at 202 now.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
You did that recently?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that one nice little size candle that got pushed down a little bit. Other than that, it was
Yep.
fake. It's not really pushing up.
Not yet, anyway. Yep.
Yeah. It's funny. This hotspot is working better than my internet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not having any problems with my mouse.
Yeah. Oh
Isn't
wow,
that crazy?
that's interesting.
At least I shouldn't have said anything. You know,
Right.
jinx myself.
Good morning, gents.
What's
Hey,
that, Rock?
Rock, how you doing?
I'm all right. I'm good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah. Did you guys take advantage of that giant drop yesterday?
Oh no, I missed it.
I was
Oh no.
I stopped at 10:30 and did. Were you on yesterday? Were we on together?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah,
No.
I
That's one.
I stopped at 10:30 and
Uh-huh.
didn't didn't do it.
You caught some of it?
Me, I was able to close a trade at 10 pips because
Oh,
of the
that's good.
yeah.
That's great.
So I made my goal in one shot. Yeah.
All right, we're going up. Oh, we're going up.
now we're coming down. It cannot make up its mind.
Nope. Just lock me in a coffin until after Labor Day. Can't take this horrible trading.
I don't know what's going on here, but I have bandwidth issues too. I've had them for several days. Thinking about
Yeah,
also
you
trying to.
still having it, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we're approaching that DR1.
Yeah. It's creeping.
Yeah.
That's what it wants to do. It doesn't want to give us a real move. Going to come up to this resistance on the 1 and 5 minute Hakanashi. And if it breaks it, we might be all right. So let's cross our fingers. I spoke too soon. That much shit is freezing now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. We're right at the Sunday Open right now, which is also the DR1.
Sorry, trying again. Jesus. Close the lap. I got up and the laptop threw me off. Okay. Oh my God, it is really corrupted. Something is up.
Your laptop?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Like the lot size disappeared from the charts. Hold on. Maybe I'll open the other one up. Let me see if that one has it. Mm, yeah, that one has it. Okay. Now, but that one doesn't have the Renko. Okay.
Right, the reason we're not taking this trade right now is we have this resistance right here on the 5-minute and on the 1-minute chart. We're pushing up into, even though things look pretty clear on the Renko.
Yeah. I have a resistance on the Renko. Do you not have that?
I have, you can see here what I have.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. Right, we have 1 minute for the COMEX Open. Right. Movement.
Okay.
That was 820 right there.
All right, good. Here we go. We look like we might be breaking those
Come in.
resistances.
Ah, come on.
Right.
Don't like this.
Yeah, I think you got in just a little too early.
Hmm.
Another run up. What a tricky day.
It keeps getting rejected up there, huh?
Yeah.
So it just needs a little more volume to break through or something.
Yeah, there's no pivot stopping it, so it's just some resistance on the 5 minute. The 1
Yeah.
minute
Right.
is stopping it.
The point of control too, right there.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Uh,
When I got in earlier, I thought it was going to keep going, and it had a little bit of room to run before it hit the point of control, but now it's hit it.
Mm-hmm.
the high today is 33.38 on spot, and that's where it's not breaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably gonna do it with a nice sized candle. And we won't be able to catch it. Reversing.
All right, we've got 1 minute for the one minute for the 8:30. I put in a buy stop at 82.5.
Well, where'd you put it in at?
82.5 on futures. case it gives us that spike up. Then I'll just get out. There's the 830 right there.
Breaks through this thing.
He wants to just play games with us today.
Yeah, my buy stop wasn't a very good idea.
You're out or you're in?
I'm in.
I think it'll pay you.
Yeah, not very much. Be lucky if it doesn't go against me before. Oh, shit. I got stopped out. Motherfuck.
Oh, wow. Then it's going to turn around.
That bitch.
Uh-oh.
That
See?
bitch. That bitch.
Then I say it. It just wiped stop losses out.
Yeah.
And turned right around and gave it to him.
Guess I'm a glutton for punishment. I'm going to go again.
Now. Did you profit off that one?
Nope.
That was a tricky one because I got in. I'm $100 negative now, but I was $170 positive. So go figure. It only gave me a couple of seconds to grab the 170.
This is all bullshit. This is all bullshit.
One second, fellas. No. Did I leave it on? Gold is much stronger than a dollar, and it's just jerking people around. How's Gail making out? You talk to her? Right.
Gail, let me
Yeah.
ask Mary, how's she doing?
She's working on her demo account,
She's working on her demo account,
but she's
Oh, okay.
to a busy season for her business.
but
Oh,
she's,
right.
yeah, getting busy for her work. Yeah.
Okay. How you doing, Mary?
I'm good, man. I'm making my goals. I set forward, but it's going to close today.
Okay. Good. Good.
She's she's made her pets, I think.
Nice.
Yeah.
This does not want to be nice to us today.
But it seems like it's picked the direction for the day, or hasn't it?
No, it should be going up,
Yeah.
but it's been shaking people out.
Mhm.
I mean, it is going up, but it just
Yeah.
won't. It just is kind of weird. There's this weird invisible resistance at 40. It just keeps kicking
Hmm.
people down.
Yeah.
Going back up on the support. resistance on the 1 minute. If it breaks it, we might have a buy. What he's been holding. There we go. It's 100.
Get in.
Yeah, I made $100 off of it, but it was tricky. It's so tricky. Within a second of me making $100, I would have lost $100.
Yeah, I saw that.
This
yeah.
is it's tricky. You know what I mean? It just popped up and popped right back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just saw that. Yeah.
This is. Where you at, Mike?
I'm not trading anymore.
You're not trading anymore.
No, I took 3 losses and I'm done.
Oh, okay. Do you want to call it? Because my phone is burning up.
Yeah, we could call it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for the idea of the hotspot. I forgot all about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you leave your phone plugged in while you're doing that, it won't burn up so much.
Oh, is that right? So keep
Yeah.
it plugged in when you're doing it?
Yeah.
All right. I'll remember that. All right.
All right, guys.
All right, brothers.
All
A
right,
little
guys.
later.
See you later. See ya.
Bye-bye.
You got it.
Bye.
All right, YouTube. I took 3 losses in a row. That is it for me. So, thanks for joining. Hopefully we will do this again. Well, we will definitely do it again this evening for the Asia session. Have a good one.